go. Up, here we go, go. Up, here we go, go. Up, here we go. Guys!
Before I continue with my presentation, pwede yung mga Holo Termers na nasa labas, pumasok kayo. Or, i-open na lang yung para marinig ang lahat. Please, namin kayo lahat. Sa loob.
Pasok na lahat ng All One Dormers.
So, dito mo na matinggan.
Mas please ito. I'm sorry, this is not on the funny side na presentation.
Ito yung mag-joke ko.
Hindi of mine that I have, since I cannot use my other talents because I'm only one. I'm very sorry. Pero, this
First lady.
and these are all, these are just short, so just bear with me. The first one will be entitled Inexplicable.
Pula na ho, pula na. Puti na gina.
Naranasan mo na bang may love sa taon, hindi mo in-expect? Ako, ang dami kong criteria for a dream girl. Pero for the first time in my life, ngayon ko lang na-experience itong feeling na ito. Hindi ko pa rin bakit nahulog ako. Ang babaeng malayo sa dream girl ko. Hindi ko na-explain, pagkasama ko siya, hindi ko makalimutan lahat ng mga pagkatagpo. Hindi ko kayang magalit sa kanya. Dahil kung yung ginagawa ko yan, mas lalo akong nasasaktan. Hindi ko talaga ma-explain bakit nagkakaganito ako sa... Then, this is I don't know if even a poem, but this, ito yung na-feel ko yung first time ako pumunta dito sa Hall 1. This is titled New Friends. It was fun with my old friends. We party all night until it ends. Yet time was not in our hands, like an hourglass running out of sand. Here I am now in the middle of nowhere. I've been looking and walking to the campus here and there, trying to break this boredom that feels like forever. Finally, I've seen people, but looks like they've already been together for a long time. The need to find new friends crept into me. A search for people to share life and break free. The feeling of loneliness that I see as an enemy could no longer harm me, for new friends gave me serenity.